my god, I built 8 of this. These small sharp things. I need to repeat to building this like 8 times. With like a half of the runner of the kit is to build these wings. This is the most tedious build that I ever done. But look how awesome this is. This is supposed to be a gun and then a wing at the same time. Look how cool this is. Well, the kit say that it's only you're supposed to be only doing it 6 times, but the runner give it like you can build this 8. So I built everything because I like the I like the feather effect. So I think the more I build this, it will make the kit looks better. But oh my god, it's so tedious. I think it's take longer to build this than the kit itself. Look at this. It's longer to build this. Like every piece of this, it took like around 20 minutes, 25 minutes, or even a half an hour. I even straight cut without the side cutter to make everything faster, but it's take around 30 minutes. So 1 2 3 4 all 8, and my finger is dying, bro. Okay, so this is the final build of the Snow Prelude Gundam wings. Oh my god! Look at the wings, man! Look at it! So, I think in this kit, if you really enjoy a massive kit, this will be one of your favorite. And the immense amount of the gun in this kit, look at that. So this is a pistol, I think a pistol, but you can pick this the wings, the feather, and put it on the pistol, so make it look huge. But the negative side of this kit is every black part in this kit have a low quality of plastic. It's brittle and it feels cheap when you touch it, and but the gray, especially the wings, it have a dope finish, so it looks expensive. And look at the wings, man. Come on. These things look huge. So let's spin this. Oh yeah, so this is a convertible. so you can turn this kit into a spacecraft, but I think I don't enjoy that because I do really like the wing. And this kit is very back heavy. Very back heavy, and you indeed need a support for the lower wing because it tends to fall off. Like when I'm posing this kit, it really like to fall off. But yeah, look at this. Oh my god. So this is the cockpit part of the kit if you want to switch it into a airplane mode. Yes, look at this. Oh yeah, you get another cannon. You got another cannon. So I didn't watch Gundam. I only built the kit, but my brother said this cannon, this dual cannon, when he used it like this is the most OP guns in the anime. Said that it could destroy our planet when they use it like this. But I don't know. I'm not watch the anime. So this kit, it have a bolt, few screws and bolt to hold the weight. Because I don't know, maybe the Chinese engineer didn't have the knowledge to do that. And a lot of spare hands for another models, another pose, and yeah, you got a clear part to be the support of the gun, but I choose not to use this because it looked weird. And this kit came with water slides, but I think I prefer to see this kit as clean as it is. No panel lining, no water decals, no water slides, because I enjoy the cleanness of this kit. Only gray and white and gray and a bit of yellow. It looks insane actually. So that you can use the double saber. So you can take the saber from here, and this is the part. This is the beam. I choose the gun because it's more excessive. The gun is very excessive, and I love it. I'm gonna show you the B-roll later, but if you want to build this, you need to really love the design, because oh my god, there's a lot of repetitive build. Like this feather gun, I need to build this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 times. You can see in the time lapse later, previous. Oh my god, it's very tiring. It started to feel like a course for me, but I do really love the design, the massiveness, the shelf presence of this kit. Dude, it could destroy a planet. Look at this. Imagine this kit flying towards you with the wings. You thought it was a good angel, but it came to take your life and your planet. Oh my god. Sorry. I do really love a good kit and a good design. So that's it. Thank you for watching and enjoy the B-roll.